What is popping, y'all? It is your girl Mayhembeauty back with another video. This time I got sent over some press-on nails made easy for you, for a girl on a budget who cannot get their nails done. Now the name of this company is Oomynails. Everything is down below in the description bar, as well as a discount code. You know I got you. Now our first nails is called Daisy Garden. The second pair is called Maple Leaves. Third pair is called Pink Spring. This one is called Streaks. And the last one is called Nude Elegance. I got to pick out 5 of them, and those are the 5 that I picked. The directions are on the back of the box. They are very easy and simple to follow, but you know I got you. I will do a tutorial on how to properly use these nails. Now these are the nails. You get 24 nails in there, all different sizes for the fingers. It comes with an alcohol pad, an orange stick to push back the cuticles, as well as a nail filer. And just in case if you ever mess up, you get 48 nail adhesives, the little nail stickers. You get 48 of those, all different sizes, to make sure that they fit your fingers. Now the first thing I'm going to do is push back the cuticles and get the nail prepared for the adhesion. This is a really easy and simple process. So this is my sister. These are her hands. So she was kindly to donate her hands for the video. So go ahead and drop a comment down below and tell her thank you very much. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and file her nails and shape them evenly so that we won't get anything wonky going on when we add the nail stickers or the nail adhesive to the nails. Now using the alcohol pad that they provided into the nail adhesion kit, we're going to clean off all the nails. Her hands were washed prior to that. And we're going to just get all the excess dust from filing and the oils to get it prepared for the nail stickers. I'm going to call them nail stickers. I'm sorry, y'all. But before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and size up each of her nails to make sure that they fit from sidewall to sidewall. You don't want some that is over your fingers, or else it's just not going to look right. So you get 24 of them. So make sure that you size up your nails and lay them out accordingly from thumb to pinky finger. And make sure that they are from sidewall to sidewall. Now I'm going to be taking the nail stickers, and basically what I'm doing here is just sizing up to see if it's going to fit her fingers. Once I find one that fits her finger, I'm going to peel that nail sticker off and stick it straight onto the nail. Press it down really good to make sure that it is adhered to your natural nail. And we're going to take that little tab that's at the end of it. I'm using tweezers because I got nails. And we're going to just peel it off, and then the nail adhesive is on the natural nail. Now, I do find this to be a very good way to, you know, like do your nails, but without the acrylic or gel if that's not what you're into, or If you got somewhere to go and you need your nails done really quick, or if you need to do a nail video or do a video and your nails look busted and you need something quick and easy, this is the way to go. Now, once again, I am showing you how easy this is to put this on. You just peel it off after you get the right size, and then you take the little tab at the end, and then you just peel it off, and then it is stuck to your finger. Really good for natural nails. They come in very many sizes as well. They have short, long, stilettos, squares. Like I said, everything is linked down below. And they also have Halloween nails they also, they got nails that glow in the dark. So if you got a Halloween costume coming up and you need to get your nails did, but you don't want to pay because the quaints is tight, I got you. Go ahead and go to their website and order you some Halloween nails. They're really cute. They got moons, stars, some that glow in the dark. Just check it out, girl. You won't be disappointed. So now I'm just going to peel off all the nail stickers. This took me approximately 10 minutes if I wasn't recording. But since I was recording, it took me about 10 minutes to do my sister's nails, and that's with her washing her hands and moisturizing, taking the alcohol pad and taking all the excess oil off and stuff. And when you apply your nails, make sure that you put it in at an angle, so therefore it won't look like you just popped it on. You could also use what is it called? It's on the tip of my tongue right now. The nail glue, if you don't want to use the adhesion, but that is totally up to you. But if you just want something quick and easy that's strong and durable and that's gonna last, this is the way to go. She had a hard time trying to take these off. As a matter of fact, she still got them on, and it's 3 to 8 days later. She has washed her hands and everything. So if you want to take it off, I suggest you use some soap, water, and oil. But this is what the nails look like. Really cute, super easy. Save some coins. I got a coupon code for y'all down in the description. Make sure you check out that description.